Did you know Napoleon Bonaparte personally designed a trap to destroy the Haitian Revolution, and it completely backfired? Toussaint Louverture was born into slavery in Saint-Domingue in 1743. By the 1790s, he had taught himself military strategy and led an army that defeated the Spanish, then the British, then the French. No enslaved revolt in history had ever done anything like it. Napoleon needed him gone. So in 1802, he sent word to Toussaint, "Come negotiate peace." Toussaint arrived. French soldiers arrested him on the spot. They put him on a ship and locked him inside Fort de Joux, a prison high in the French Alps. He died there on April 7, 1803. Napoleon thought removing the man would end the movement. It did not. Haiti declared independence on January 1st, 1804, becoming the first black republic in the world. The revolution Toussaint built outlived the prison that held him. The trap worked perfectly. The plan failed completely. Follow for the history they skipped.